scorcher. This is one of those ones we call a scorcher.
Nice. Yeah, and we had a little bit of humidity.
Yeah.
Nobody was really, I didn't see too much complaining on the...
Because I feel like we're still early in this, right?
That's
like we're
true.
enjoying this right now.
And like winter's the same way. Like the first snow, usually people are cool, and then in March they're like, okay, enough, we've had enough. 75 in Portland, so the coast has cooled down significantly. Look at that buoy temp at 57. It was 51 like 5 or 6 days ago, so it's really getting warmer fast. Parsonsfield 92, 90 in Conway. They got up to 95 today. We saw some mid-90s towards Orono as well, all down to a 90 flat at this point, and then you go down to the coast for some relief in the 60s. A couple pop-up showers and storms still out there. One over Sebago Lake, which is just an absolute magnet for any shower or storm activity in the area. A few more coming out of the foothills here, but we're going to notice over the next hour or so that the activity quickly will flare down as the sun angle goes with it. So just an hour, hour and a half left probably of a scattered shower or thunderstorm. After that story tonight is that it's pretty mild. Most of the night spent in the upper 60s to around 70, and then we get to around 60 by tomorrow morning early, and we're back up quickly. I think quite a few of us over central and southern Maine will get to 80 degrees before 10 a.m. tomorrow. So it'll be a really quick run up into the mid 80s. And then here comes our front. You can see, look at Caribou, 56, Millinock at 75. There's your front right there. Showers and storms come down with it. Some of these storms could have quite a bit of moisture, so we'll watch out for some quick, heavy downpours, maybe a little bit of flash flooding with it. The soil's in pretty good shape right now, so that should help us. And those showers and storms continue moving towards the coast in the afternoon and early evening, and then the front settles to the south. And then the mystery of our weekend forecast begins. It comes down to the fact that all models agree a front comes through tomorrow afternoon, fine, into tomorrow night. And then an upper level low comes around and connects with that front. The question is, how far west does that low go once it connects? So this is the European model. It's the worst case scenario. Brings showers on Saturday and then brings rain back in on Sunday. But the other models, not just the American GFS model, but also the NAM model, which is another model we look at, is more like this, which is there's a low out there, but it's kind of more offshore. It's more progressive. This one's really wrapped up and pushing back to the north and west. And so over time, I'm becoming more and more convinced that maybe it's a little bit drier than the Euro's depiction of it, which gives us a more reasonable weekend. Either way, I think temperatures fall off dramatically for the weekend into the 60s. If the GFS is right, we could pop a 70 over western Maine. But you'll even notice, guys, if you're really paying attention, that the weekend's forecast got a little more optimistic between 5:30 and 6, which never happens with me. This is such a weird forecast. It feels like a snowstorm one where it's like oscillating a little and it's making a huge difference. So you'll see on Sunday that I've trended drier there. So yeah, I don't know. Stay with us.
Tuned.
Stay with us. It's so weird. Like 100 miles is making a huge difference right now. Hopefully we end up on the drier end of that solution.
We'll see.
It won't be 85 either way, but it'll be better.
Keith, thank you.